Hello, friends. I hope I'm live now. Let me know, guys, if you can hear me. Hello. Can you guys hear me? Can someone confirm me? I guess there must be some delay between me and the live stream. Hi, Devasis. Thanks for joining. Hello. Thanks. Okay. We'll wait for a couple of minutes. Let's other join and then we'll start. This is going to be really great and definitely it is going to be something historical today. The product, the new innovations, what we are going to see, definitely it is going to be useful for each and everyone, whether he is in tester, automation tester, manual tester, developer, manager. For everyone, this is going to be very, very helpful. And as always, like productivity, my innovations and my tools are based on to improve your productivity, solve your day-to-day problems. So once again, this is going to be really new thing. Okay, good. And guys, if you anyone is there from Pune, this week I'm traveling to Pune and coming to host the meetup in Pune. So request you all to please join the meetup if you are in nearby Pune or in Pune. And this meetup is going to be sponsored by VTest. So really thankful to them, and that is going to be really great event in many aspects. It's not just about you'll be having the presentation only. Meetups is all about like interacting with the people, meeting like-minded people, getting more opportunity of networking, and then many a times it meetups helps a lot in jobs as well. You might get direct job opportunity right there itself, because many people come for looking for talent in the meetups, many comes for looking for jobs. So in both perspectives, meetups are really helpful. So requesting all of you that please, if you are around, do join the meetup. And it is going to be hosted in a hotel there in Pune. So you can check out the venue and all the details on Selectors of website under meetup tab. Okay, great. So I guess most of people have joined already. So let's get started with the today's presentation. What is there new in my plate for all of you? So yeah, let me share my screen. Yes, Ashish, you were there. Thank you. Thanks for joining. I remember. Yeah. So I hope you can see my screen now. Can someone just confirm if you guys can see my screen? So the problems which we have solved till date, like with the help of SelectorsHub or with any of my solution and innovation, XPath and selectors problem. We have solved all the selectors problem, whether it is related to any particular framework, any kind of complex web element like Shadow DOM, iframes, nested Shadow DOM, etc. All those problems have been solved through Selectors Hub. Like playwright, verifying selectors for whether it is a playwright selector, Cypress, Selenium, or any particular framework. For all those, the problems have been solved, and it's very easy. Like, you need not to remember any new particular command or anything. Those all have been solved. Web elements, any kind of web elements it is, whether it is a nested server DOM, nested iframe, svg, whatever it is, all have been solved, and you are able to easily capture the web elements, easily able to inspect them. Like dynamic element, you are able to verify, inspect, and everything we can do it. And this all has been made possible through SelectorsHub. And we have seen how it has evolved in last 2 years. It's been like almost going to be like very soon, it is going to be 2 years now for SelectorsHub, and the journey and how it has evolved, how it has helped whole community, that is incredible. And with it has been possible with everyone support, and what kind of the support kind of support you guys have shown and given, that was like really amazing. And for that, like, I'm so thankful from my bottom of my heart to all of you. Then with these innovation, we have taken a step further, and we didn't stop here to innovate new things. And then we start solving problem for everyone, because selectors hub, initially we thought like everyone that it is limited to XPath and selectors problem, and it's not solving everybody's problem. So that's where we have taken a step further and introduced something new, which started helping us to get the manual steps, data, whatever data we are using while testing XPath and selectors, without any opening a new tab, like opening selectors up in the dev tools and other stuff like that. Just one click and you were getting all those things. It has made easy, this innovation has made easy to reproduce the bug documentation. And then, if we didn't stop there, we have introduced the screenshots feature, which made a life lot more easier while doing the testing, while documentation, while reproducing the issue, while reporting the issue. And in many aspects, Test Case Studio started helping a lot. And people were like really excited with this innovation. And in fact, this is the one of the uh, Chrome extension or browser extension, you can say the 5-star rated one, which has all 5-star, and it is helping a lot, like anything. And this is currently being used by everyone, whether he's a developer, tester, manager, product manager, because everyone does the product, like product manager does the testing before giving the thumbs ups to take the product into the production. Developer do the testing before giving the build to the tester. That's his job itself is testing. So everyone does the functional testing of the application. So this is where Test Case Studio is very helpful for everyone. Everyone is now having their record, that what steps they have followed, what testing they have done, where they click, where they enter the value, what all features they have tested. So now everybody is having the data, have the documentation ready with them, that yes, we have done this testing, and Test Case Studio is helping a lot there. Great. And this has all been made possible with everyone's like suggestion, improvement, what kind of improvement we have done in Test Case Studio. And for Test Case Studio also, like it's been almost around 9 months, that baby kind of thing. So this has evolved a lot, like from the day one, and lot many things has been improved in Test Case Studio. Great features. But again, by solving these many problems with the selector sub and Test Case Studio, still there were like many problems persist and exist. I mean, yes, of course, like until unless someone will not make you realize that what are the problem in the solution what you have right now, it is difficult, because life is normal even without like selectors or without Test Case Studio. Your life was running, our life was running, and everybody was fine. Yes, we are automating things, we are testing things. But when Test Case Studio and selectors up came in the picture, that's where we got to know, oh wow, this can be also done. This can here also things could be easy. Like imagine automating the shadow DOM, nested shadow DOM without selectors up. That was like nightmare for the people. Inspecting the dynamic bubble loader, spin loader, drop downs, etc. It was such a pain for people. Handling element where they are inside iframe, shadow DOM, and nested. iframe necessary on that. This was like so painful it was, but these things has made a lot like life lot easier. Similarly, let me make you realize that where are the things where we are still wasting a lot of time. Productivity is going to like in vain. We can improve a lot in productivity, in our efficiency, in our day-to-day work. So let's see that the problems which still persist, which still exist. Productivity. Yes, you all are thinking that yes, we with the help of test case studio, and yes, with the help of test case studio our productivity has increased a lot. In many perspective it is helping a lot, but still when you use test case studio, when you record the steps, still there are like many things which we perform like manually, like something, let's say if we are doing some testing here, if I open this and let's say we search for here SelectorsHub, then we click on SelectorsHub.com. Suppose we right click on bootcamp, we click on meetup, we click on bootcamp here. So couple of steps has been recorded. Now if you open this, I hope this is visible. Now here you see that, notice that we got everything, this each and everything. This is absolutely fine and helping us a lot. We can download this test case. Yes, but here you see that when we download this test case, still we have to like upload this xls file into our Jira or any bug management tool. If suppose if we have to get all the content here like in single click, because yes, copy button is there, copy button is there, we can just click on copy one by one. We will have to do like all the data we have to copy that that thing is not there. So it's still we are wasting time here in downloading this xls, then copying the whole data from the xls and then pasting it in our like test management tool, whichever you are using, right? You have to do control a then control z and then you are able to paste it there. Then every time we are like, if suppose if we need the screenshots only, we are downloading every time both like xls file and this screenshot folder both are getting downloaded. This is where lot many things are still missing in test case studio. UI, the kind of UI you have, this seems like very old UI. The still like very simple HTML thing. It's not that premium feel that like, because the modern application, the modern feel, look and feel of the general applications are like really good, and many people say that like this is looking very old, outdated. Can we have something like that, more intuitive, more like, because many a times most of the people I found that the still though have thousands of users are there in test case studio, but not many people are aware about these features, that there are these four icons, they have more features. There is a set driver command that they can generate the data automation, sorry, they can generate the code itself, they can set the name as well before. So lot more things are still missing in this thing. Then performance and memory issue, like here there are limitations, like we can, when you start like recording multiple steps, let's say you are recording 30, 50 steps or more than 50 steps, it start creating issues. Like we are not able to record multiple steps due to like, because of performance, because of memory, because of screenshots. More screenshots keep on coming here, every screenshot will be taking some space in your window, and that will cause a performance issue. So there is a limitations of that. Then url for every action, like you right now if you look at this one, we don't have url of every step here. So suppose if you have reported this issue, like there is an issue, suppose there is an issue and we want to report that issue, so you don't know that on which page you have entered this selectors of what was the url that time. You don't know what was the url of that website when you click on selectors of home. Suppose you have raised an issue or you share these steps with someone, and now that person has started testing, he will never be knowing that when you right click on bootcamp, at that moment on which page you were, what was the url in the address bar. If you will be having that url in the address bar, you will be knowing that okay, I'm like at that time I was on that page, because right now you can right click from here as well. When the URL is this selectors of desk training, if you're on certification page, at that time also you can right click on courses. Here when you are on test case studio page, that time also you can right click on the bootcamp. So you don't know like at what point of time you have right click on bootcamp from which page. So that's where we are lacking here, and we waste a lot of time to figuring out that what at that time when this user has clicked on right click on bootcamp, where he was. So that thing is also there missing. Then more important thing, desktop app testing. Like today I want to record, I want to test, let's say this IntelliJ, or I mean just for an example I am taking this one. I don't have that, like any desktop app. Many of you are complaining me and were requesting that, not complaining, that can we have something which can help us to record things for, like if we are doing the testing for the desktop application. Like if you are testing this right now, so we don't have anything, like we are not getting any proof here that we are testing here on this. We clicked on this, we typed here something, what, so that is not getting recorded. And in fact, like many people were saying that can we have something that can record a kind of like a screen. If suppose if I want to record this particular tab, like here hundreds of tabs are opening, like one is Google, another one is selectorsHub.com, one is Amazon is open here. Now I want to record, because right now test case studio will take a screenshot of each and every page wherever we will perform the action. But what if I want to record everything on only on like amazon.in? I want to record a video, I want to record a screen on this of this page when I'm doing the testing of Amazon. But it should record only on Amazon. It should not record when I go to like this page or somewhere. Let's say if I have opened Facebook, I'm chatting with someone, or if I'm on Instagram or anywhere, if I'm doing some personal stuff, that should not get me that shouldn't be recorded in my video or screen. So for that purpose, these all things were missing in this. And now for that, to solve all these problems, here I'm introducing something really new which will help a lot. And this is going to make a revolution. This is going to improve your productivity at least by 30 to 40%, what you are right now helping with the getting help with the test case studio. On top of that, it is going to add more uh, like productive things for you, uh, more features, more data, and more things you will get here. Test case studio, test case studio pro, and this will help you guys a lot, and it will solve all those problems which we have just discussed, that productivity, performance, memory space, URL thing, recording the screen, recording any particular tab, recording for the desktop testing, recording for desktop applications, each and everything, recording a particular tab on the browser, recording a particular screen or full screen, each and everything is there. And there will be no performance issue. There will not be any limit that you can record only these many steps. And absolutely new UI with the more intuitive, more interactive, lightweight, much more important thing that like lot more options are there. And this is where, this is how it will look when you will record these steps. You can see it here, like we have opened this website. This is google.com. When you press down arrow at that time, what was the URL in the address bar? When you click on selectors hub home link, what was the URL at that time? More intuitive UI, like more obvious UI, that there you know that now this is command, this is customized UI, filter, delete button, pause. Then here you can set the name, more options. Now you have the options to copy the complete test case. Like many times many people's, because in the current version, in the this version, you see that you keep on downloading multiple files every time to get this test case. And when, I mean, of course there will be like more files, there will be more space taken by this way. So this is where it will help you. You can directly copy the complete test case and paste it in your system. Then you have the download test case. Like in the existing version, you have the options just to download the screenshots only. Then you got the options to record the screen, any particular screen you want to record, any particular tab you want to record. This will help a lot to solve all these problems what we have just discussed, that what all problems are there. Let me give you guys a live demo of this thing, how this is going to help you. So suppose if we are on this page here, let's add this. Of course, this will be a separate plugin. You will have to install this one. Just click on this. This is how it will open. And now we search here. Suppose I scroll down, click on this, and suppose we click here, we click here, we click on this. Now you open here, you see that all steps are getting recorded, all the URLs. Like when I click on here, when we press enter, when we search here, this was the URL. When we click here, this was the URL. When I click on TestCase Studio, at that moment, what is the URL? When I click on Bootcamp, that was the URL. When we click on this, this was the URL. Every steps, you have the copy options for each and every column. Very intuitive UI, lightweight, much cleaner, easy to understand what option is doing what, where to click, where not to click. All those things you will be having here. Now you, to get all this data, you need not to download the test case. You have this option, just click on this, open any of your xls or wherever you want to copy and paste. You can paste the complete table itself. So you got those things here. Now it's so easy to get the data. You need not to download multiple files. There will not be any heavy weight in your system. Then you, if you want to download, you can download the test case and screenshot everything. If you want to just download the screenshot only, you have the options. Now you need not to like download any particular thing, like you don't get downloaded unwanted things now. Then you have the record screen options. This is one of the best feature which you will get it here in this one. So suppose we want to test this IntelliJ app and we want to record that screen. So you just select here, click on this, and in the window, suppose we want to test this one, let's say IntelliJ. Select that. You can select, you can see that here, either you can select entire screen, or you any particular screen window, which one you want to record. Like we want to record this Chrome, anything, or any Chrome tab. Like here so many tabs are open, so whichever tab you want to record, that also you can select that this tab you want to record. I will show you this one, Windows one. So you just click on share. Now here, whatever action you will perform, of course, like whatever things you will be keep on doing here. Let's say if I type here something, so the video is getting recorded there. Now you see that, now we will go to, let's say, Chrome browser. Here we are going, and we'll do some actions here. Let me open google.com. Let's open SelectorsHub.com. Let's say we'll open the bootcamp here. Let's say we click on courses. So you see that couple of things we have performed. Now I'm going back to again this IntelliJ app. I type here, let's say /input. Okay. Now we'll open the test case studio here. You can stop this recording and view. When you will view this recording here, you will see that it has recorded only IntelliJ thing, whatever we were performing there. It will not record the Chrome browser tab. So this way, it is very helpful to record any particular screen or any particular window, what you want to record, what you want to test. Once you are done here, you can close this and you can download this file. And good thing is that you can record, like there is no limit that you can record just 5 minutes, 10 minutes. You can record even half an hour, 1 hour, and there will not be any memory issue. Like if you, once you will close this, everything will be clean. Not even, there will not be any performance issue on this window as well. Like if you record 100 steps, 50 steps, doesn't matter, all things will be keep on recording. But of course, like it is always recommended that you don't record multiple too many steps, because it will be difficult for yourself when you will open the file again or when you will try to read them again. But there will not be any performance issue. Another great feature is there, the command thing. Like you see that in right now there is X path and other stuff is generated. What if you want to generate with the code itself? So you can turn on this, driver.findElement by.xpath is here. So it is generating with them. Here you will be having the more options, like now you want to generate with Cypress or Playwright, so you just click on this, you will be having all the options here. So this way it will help a lot to generate the code with like whatever command you want or whatever options you want. That feature you will be having here. So lot more improvement, lot more features are there in this version, and this is going to help you guys a lot. And I hope you will like this. This will solve lot many problems for you. It will definitely improve your productivity. And for detailed tutorial, I would request you all guys, please check out this. Let me close this. Here you can check out the tutorial and everything you will see on TestCase Studio Pro. There's the detailed tutorial here. So please watch this, how to use this, what all features are there, how you can make the best use of this version, and how this is going to help you in your day-to-day work. And with that, uh, like of course you can go through all the details, each and everything is there. If you get any doubt, feel free to ask me. And one more thing I would like to add with this, that do not you need not to worry about that what will be with the like normal version, the test case studio that is always there. Test case studio is always there. That is also going to get you guys always going to get the full support on test case studio, uh, the free version. That is also going to get all the updates, each and everything. Just that like that will be like little behind with this pro version. We have introduced this pro version to support the selectors hub and the test case studio, and to develop more free products, which I'm coming up very soon with a new innovation, with more tools, more free tools. So to sustain, to like keep growing these products, other free products and everything, for that purpose this pro version has been introduced. But whatever features and whatever things you will be required, that will also keep coming in free versions as well. All these features what you are seeing over the time, they will come in the free version as well. Just that the pro version, those who need the premium feature, those who are ready to like support and help this community, but they of course at the same time they want more features, they want more advanced things. For that reason this has been introduced, and this is not at all like uh, costly. I'm sure like the kind of solution, the kind of tools and products you are getting from my end, you must at least can offer me a coffee per month. And this is not even a half of a coffee cost per month. Just if you check out the subscription plan here, they will be like just $2.50 per month. They are very cheap. You can just go here and check them out. More details, it's just like $2.50 per month, so which is very very cheap. And I would always recommend that ask your team or company to take that. So that will be like much cheaper, and it's just like nothing. This is basically to support the free versions and to keep growing the free products, because it's been like almost 2 months, almost 2 years that I have been like burning all my savings and everything. So it was really required to introduce something so that like we can sustain and we can grow and we can evolve and introduce, innovate more new products, more free products. So for that reason, this is here. Over to you guys. If you have any question, any suggestion, feel free to let me know. And of course, like in all the versions of free and this pro, improvements, more updates, everything will be keep coming. And very soon you will also hear a lot more in the free version very soon from me, and more products. Like this month or by next month you will be hearing more free products. And amazing innovation is in the pipeline. I'm just holding my breath. What is that? So that is just going to change everything. That will solve so many problems. So yeah, thank you guys. Feel free to ask me if you have any question. More than happy to answer. All the details and download links you will find it here under test case studio tab. Just go and please check out and do try this one. This will really help a lot. So please try. I would recommend all the users, everyone out there, please try at least once. You will really love this one. Over to you guys. Feel free to ask any question if you have. Devasis, can we record screen and steps at the same time? Yes, screen and steps both will be recorded. So screen is like that will start recording in the background, but steps will be keep recording. So whatever you will be performing, but steps for the steps on the desktop application, those steps will not be recorded. Any steps what you will be performing in the web application, for that screenshots and steps will be recorded. Recording, whatever video recording you will be selecting, whatever window, that video recording will be happening separately. I hope I answered your question. Dinesh, do we have any certification for this, like you introduced for selectors of XML course? Yes, in future, like for test case studio, there is a certification program. So you just go to selectors of website, under certification tab you will find the like under certification tab you will find test case studio and selectors of both. So from there you can take the certificate. Any suggestion, guys? How what do you think about these new thing? And I'm sure like this is going to helpful for you guys. So any suggestion, any recommendation? And I will definitely request all of you that please give it a try. This will definitely help you. This is just a, not even a coffee cost, definitely. So this will help you guys a lot. All these steps, it's very simple steps to use this tool. You can just check it out here on selectors of website. Let me just show you once. Here what you have to do first, just go to this test case studio tab on selectors of website, click on this. You will be landed here, so upgrade to pro version, then it will show you. So just click on this, it will take you to this page. What you have to do, very simple, 5 steps to start with pro version. You have to go here, check out the plans to take the subscription. So you click on this, you can check out this like what is there in free, premium and business plan. So this is for individual if you are taking, this is for team. Like if this is always better, always recommended that your team or your company take it. So click on get started and here you can see the plan. So any of these plan you can choose from here. So that you can see just $2.5 per month, which is very cheap, not even a coffee cost. So that you can take. Once you will take that, here you, after taking the subscription, you will get the login credential which you will use to sign in on the test case studio. And then here you can just like after taking this subscription, just install this from here, test case studio in your browser. It is already added in my browser, so you can add it here. Let me just remove it and show you guys. So when you will add this one here in your browser, this is a very simple and straightforward thing as you were doing it before. So after installing it, just I would recommend you that restart the browser and click on this. Here it will asking for the login. So this you will have to log in with the credential which you have received after taking the subscription in your email. And this is one time login only. After that, you will never require to log in again, and you will be smoothly you will be able to use this. And that's all, like 3 4 steps is required to use this tool. Only once you will have to take the subscription and log in. After that it will not ask you. Thank you, Dinesh. Thanks a lot. Thank you. We all will grow along with the support from each other. Yes, sure, definitely. Your innovation tool is much more helpful to many testing community. Please spread the knowledge and try to build the academic courses more. I'm taking up to recommend this tool running to my team. Yeah, definitely, Dinesh, I will create more courses. I have created a lot of courses. So let me just share a screen and show you guys from where you can take my courses. That will really helpful, very helpful to you guys. So under courses tab, you can see this is one Udemy course which I have created. Like this is very from basic to very advanced level. All the automation complex scenarios has been covered. XPath from very basic to very advanced level has been covered. CSS selector. So please do take this course. I will highly recommend to you guys. And if you want to take the free courses, also I have created the free courses as well here. This is the only one paid course. Rest all are like here XPath, you can see, check out. So I would highly recommend that please check out this course. This will really help you a lot. Can I install Pro version in my office and personal laptop at the same time? Yes, absolutely. Like once you take the subscription, you can use it in your personal and the office laptop, of course. And if you face any challenges, I'm always here, so you can always reach out to me. I'm very active on SelectorsHub Slack channel, so anytime if you face any issue, I'm always here to help you. So for that, like, I'm always here. What's the data safety of this tool can offer to more secure clients? This is absolutely secure. So like I always say that all my tools are absolutely safe and secure. They run offline. They doesn't have any cloud, and that's the my highest selling point here for any of the tool. And my all the tools runs offline in your local. So if you disconnect your internet, then also they will run as smooth as you use, and they run offline. So they don't have anything cloud, and that's where like like all the data and everything is safe and secure with you. So there's no data breach or anything. It is running like when you are running like when you are recording steps and doing anything, everything in your system, in your browser and everything there. Nobody can see, I cannot see or anything. No. Do this tool only support web application? Yes, this tool right now, these my tools supports only web application, whether they are desktop web or the mobile web, both they are supporting, like mobile web as well as desktop web. And something more will be coming soon for other apps as well, like whether that is desktop app or the mobile app. So something really great is cooking and building. So stay tuned, stay tuned for that, guys. My only request that please encourage more people, let others know about these innovation, and to try this premium version, this pro version. This will help a lot, and it will encourage me to innovate more things, more tool, and this will help in the background for the free tool and to grow this community, to help you all. Because like these meetups, these new tools, new courses, and hosting the free webinar, free taking the free boot camps, all this will help me, like if you guys will support. So really need your support, guys. So please do try this pro version. It is just nothing. For a second you can think that I have offered a coffee to Sanjay. And guys, if anyone in Pune, don't miss the meetup. This will really awesome. This is going to be really awesome. I got a lot of goodies as well for Pune meetup. Though I have ordered like for Bangalore meetup as well, but got the delivery today. So I'm coming up with lots of goodies in Pune. So do join, guys. Thank you so much, Dinesh, for joining and for your kind words. Thank you. Thank you so much. Any suggestion, any questions, guys, feel free to ask me. And if you get any doubt, any question, I'm always here. And you will find more tutorials here on this Selector sub channel. So you feel free to subscribe here. You will get more tutorials and everything. When all these new features are coming in free version? Yes. So like whenever there will be like big release, new release in this version, pro version, then they will come in the free version. So basically, like I'm trying to keep it in such a way, synchronize in such a way that free version will always be there, like one version behind. So this way that we can make things balance, and this will help us to like keep running the free products, because that is also required a lot of investment. It's not easy to run free everything. So for that reason, like we will have to keep a balance. So I will try to like keep both the products running and keep improving and keep adding all these features what will be coming in pro version. You will be seeing whenever there will be big release, like let's say test case studio pro right now 1.0. So whenever there will be 2.0 in the pro version, all these features will come in the free version. Where is the meetup? Meetup is in Pune, Dinesh. It's in a hotel. I will show you guys. So if you go to here on SelectorsHub website under meetup tab, you will find all the details. So it's in MCCIA Trade Tower. This is a hotel in Pune. So there we are hosting this in Senapati Bapat Road. So please let your friends know this is absolutely free meetup. You can register, and even without registration also you can come. Not a problem. You all are welcome. So please do join and spread the word. Ramona, thanks so much. Just getting into automation testing, and this is helping so much until I learn more about XPath. Thank you, Ramona. Thanks for joining, and definitely Selectors Hub. Do check out that course. That will help a lot if you are in a learning phase, and even if you are expert in automation, then definitely it is going to help a lot. You also, one more thing, I will show you guys another one product which is already like a product itself. This practice page, if you guys haven't tried yet, haven't seen this practice page, explored this practice page, then please go right away and do try this practice page. This is really awesome. All the world class, top class scenarios here, all complex scenarios are there in this page. If you are able to automate this page, then trust me, you are really expert in automation. If you're not able to automate any field or something here in this page, then please go and learn that how to automate. Because you see that here, like each and every field, like this field, this is inside iframe, and that iframe is inside shadow dom, or this is inside shadow dom, and the shadow dom is inside iframe. So when you open here, you will learn lot many things, like this element is inside shadow dom, this shadow dom is inside iframe. So this is really awesome page. Please do try this. If you are taking someone's interview, you want to see whether they are really good in or not, ask them to automate this page. Or if you want to practice yourself, then you use this page. Also take this quiz. There are 6 questions in this case, quiz, 5 6 question. And if you are able to solve them rightly, like with the proper region, what is the region behind that answer, then you are really expert in locators as well. So please do check out these things. They are really helpful to improve your knowledge, to your like whatever knowledge you have, whatever things you are doing. Hello Charlie, thank you so much for joining. I hope you enjoyed the session and you saw the today the new thing which we have launched. Thank you so much for all your support. My company just got me business Udemy account, but I got notified that your course will be removed on July 30th. So I try to get it done before then. Yeah, sure, you can do that, because Udemy has a lot of policy to get it courses in premium, means business and other stuff. So I don't know, but yeah, you can check out that. Any questions, guys? Any suggestion? I'm here to answer each and every question. My only request that do try this test case studio pro. This will help you guys a lot, and it will save so many things for you, so much time for you. And free version is always free, guys. So don't worry about that free version will not be there. Free version will always be there. Free version will always get the updates. Free version will always have my support and everything. So don't worry about that. Pro version is just that we have to support free version. We have to keep improving them. So for that reason, pro is here, and lot many of you have requested for the pro version, that where we can get more premium feature, more flexibility, more improvement, more frequent updates. So for that reason, we have to introduce this one, so that we can keep growing, keep supporting our community. Looking forward for your support, guys. Okay, so I guess that's all from my end, guys. If you have any question, I will hold for another 5 minutes. So if you have any question, feel free to ask. Okay. And also, guys, check out the boot camp there on the SelectorsHub website. There is a boot camp as well. So I used to keep hosting the boot camp where I used to teach in detail about SelectorsHub, Test Case Studio, how to make the best use of them, what all features are there, how you can do the really smart thing through XPath. Like you do a lot of automation testing and manual testing. You write a lot of code which can be done just in few seconds just through XPath. So lot many good tips and tricks I used to teach in boot camp. You can check out the feedback from others what they have, those who have already attended. So do join the boot camps as well, so they will really help you guys a lot to save a lot more time, and you will really learn really good tips and tricks to make the best use of these tools. And if any one of you teach about like you have YouTube channel or teach or you are giving training, feel free to feel free to teach about selectors of test case studio. This will really help a lot your students to learn new things. It will help them to learn the new concepts about XPath, web element, DOM, and it will help in many ways. So please feel free to include selectors of and test case studio in your training, in your courses. This will really help them a lot. Okay, so no more questions, guys. Okay, so I guess we all good now. So once again, thank you so much everyone for joining. Thanks from bottom of my heart, and please do support. Please do try this Test Case Studio Pro version. Let others know about this great innovation. This will really help me a lot, and I'm sure like you guys have loved the this new tool, and this will help you in your day-to-day work. So with that, thank you so much everyone. Have a great week ahead. Thank you, thank you. Bye bye and good night. Have a good day.